guys, thanks for tuning in again. If you're not familiar, I am Alexander Izati, board certified acupuncturist and herbalist. And basically what we're doing here is releasing a series of video clips, each one talking about the pros and cons of acupuncture, what it helps, its limitations, what it can do, what it can't do. So hopefully you find it informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or concerns throughout the video clip, feel free to visit us at www.balancewithinyou.com, all spelled out. That's www.balancewithinyou.com. And you can either reach us via email or call our offices. So the first thing I want to start off with today is how acupuncture helps with pain. I want to start off with stating that, most insurance companies, or a lot of insurance companies, do cover acupuncture therapy. And one of the only things that they cover acupuncture for is pain management. Now, why? When acupuncture covers a whole variety of things, why only cover pain? Because acupuncture works well, very well, for pain and pain management. Whether it be neck pain, back pain, shoulder pain, knee pain, ankle pain, toe pain, finger pain, stomach pain, headaches, migraines, whatever pain it may be, acupuncture works really well for. Hence why most insurance companies, when they do cover acupuncture, is for pain management. So what I'm going to do, just so we can give you a visual, is I'm going to introduce the Acuman. Excuse him, he's not dressed. So what I want you to pay attention to is all these lines that you see on the doll itself. They're on the arm, the head, the neck, the chest, the face, the back of the neck, low back. They work all the way down to the legs, all the way down into the feet, kind of wrap around all over the body. So generally, this is what your acupuncturist is working with. All right, when you go in and you're complaining of back pain or shoulder pain or whatever pain it may be, this is what the acupuncturist is looking at. So what they will do is they will find the affected channel of where you're having pain, and they will conduct a treatment. Keep in mind that just like any other healthcare practitioner, acupuncturists have their own style. So there's a variety of different styles. You may go to an acupuncturist and they may go directly into the area that's affected. So you may be going in with low back pain and they may perform a treatment on your low back. That's just one style. You may have another acupuncturist that, if you can see all these channels that go into the low back, you can actually affect and treat the low back by tapping into different areas, right? Because these channels run all along the back of the body. So you may have an acupuncturist that may not actually go into the affected area, but tap into certain meridians or channels or points that actually affect the low back. Both of these styles are great. Both of them have great efficacy. They're just a different way of approaching the problem. So with that said, even with some shoulder pain, chest pain, abdominal pain, same kind of scenario. Now, how does acupuncture work by decreasing pain? Well, if we're going to look at this from a Western lens, if we're going to look at this from a Western perspective, keep in mind that's not my scope of practice. I'm an acupuncturist and an herbalist. So the way that we look at the body, the way that we approach an ailment is very different than a Western practitioner, an MD or whatever, right? So keep that in mind. Now, if I were to explain it in Western terminology, what I can say is that scientifically it is proven that acupuncture, one, helps decrease inflammation. So generally when you have an area that's affected or has pain or has had some sort of trauma, you're going to have inflammation, right, from a Western perspective. Now, acupuncture helps decrease that inflammation, right? We know of all the different medications that help decrease inflammation. So acupuncture can do that naturally without having to pop a pill, which is great. Also, what acupuncture can do is it increases circulation, right? So if you have an area that's affected, we can increase the amount of circulation, increase the amount of red blood cells to the affected area to increase and speed up the healing process. So that in itself is an amazing thing without having to take any drugs. third thing is acupuncture helps the body release endorphins. Now this is one very interesting thing. You know, generally after an acupuncture treatment, patients will get off the table and one, feel very relaxed, two, feel very good, three, feel very happy. A lot of the times patients will ask me, is there something on those needles that you poke me with? And no, it's not the case. What is the case is that during an acupuncture treatment, so many endorphins are released. If you're not familiar with endorphins, endorphins are something in the body that when released make us happy, simplistically put. Usually you get them after exercise, you feel good after exercise, that's an endorphin rush, an endorphin release. After sexual intercourse, we get an endorphin release, an endorphin rush. Acupuncture has that same effect. So with an endorphin release, with the decrease of inflammation, and with an increase of circulation, we can improve and speed up the healing process into any affected area that has pain. So hopefully that gives you a slightly better picture of how acupuncture can help with pain management. Now keep in mind, it's with any type of pain that you may have, whether it be headaches and migraines, neck pain, shoulder pain, back pain, hip pain, knee pain, sciatica, abdominal, digestive pain, bloating, gas, chest pain, I don't know if I mentioned that, knee pain from an injury. So that's just a very simple approach to how it can help. If you have any more questions, please feel free to visit us on our website, www.balancewithinyou.com. And if you wanted to reach us either through email or phone number, our phone number is on our website. We'll be glad to answer any questions or concerns that you may have. Thanks, and see you next time.